My dearly beloved family, how are you all doing? As you can see, I am doing good and I know you are doing perfectly well. All right, my wonderful family, if you are just seeing my face for the first time, I am Agatha Progress Channel on YouTube and I come across your way every blessed day. In this channel, we react to all videos, and in this channel as well, our opinion is highly needed. So why don't you drop your comment in a very constructive way so that we all will jubilate in the comment section. As you know, I don't understand what to know about this video that you're about to watch, but I do hope you pick some sense from those videos. All right, my wonderful family, let me drop the video so watch it together, and don't forget not to subscribe. Share this video with your friends and family so they know all what is going on in the global world today. Right now, let's watch the video and I will be right back.
Biafras, IPOP, Biafras all over the world. I dey greet una for the language wey una go understand. Biafras all over the world, IPOP all over the world. I dey greet una for the language wey una go understand. Wetin I dey wan let una know be say, you see the tactics wey dem dey use for us. So the tactics, I wan make una see these tactics wey dis Fulani dey use for us today. I want to see una with, I dey see una with these tactics wey Fulani dey use for us, wey Nigeria soldiers dey use for us. Biafras all over the world, these tactics wey dem dey use for us. Dem go kill this one, 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 dem go kill boys one by one. Biafras, Biafras, IPOP. As we dey, so our leader we no know where he dey. Our leader we no know where we dey. Our politicians don sell us out for these people. You see wetin dey happen. Then they enter inside market go shoot people. Biafras, these people dey use another tactics. Now they don kill 20. You dey kill 100. Last month, last 2 months, na so that they kill give one, they kill 2, kill 3, kill 4, kill 5, kill 6, kill 7, kill 8, kill 9, kill 100, kill 200, kill 300. They are killing our people small. Now see the video where they trade today. Say they enter inside market. Engine where they buy since last year. The soldiers now say they want change engine where they buy since last year. Now they begin shoot people for inside market, na so they kill people. I wan let una know one thing, say the system where they take dey kill us, so we need to get sense. If e no concern you today, e go concern you tomorrow. If e no concern your brother, e go concern your sister. If they shoot me, if they wan kill me, my strength bullet fit come meet you. I wan let Biafra know. I wan let Biafra know. And as I dey talk to our ancestors. I dey tell our ancestors say the time don reach. When me Ebita Akon Ebita wan wake up for my sleep. Enough is enough for all this nonsense. Biafra, these people are using another tactics. They want to make sure say they kill our boys finish. I wan tell everybody, every Biafra wey dey anywhere where you dey, time don reach to carry your load. If you get your market, pack and go your domot, because when the thing said, you no go get am. Biafras, e no concern us, e no concern us. This is people wey dey inside market, they kill them. Biafra, e no concern us. E no concern you, e no concern you, Biafra. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Our politician where they wait for, our politician where they sell us out, that time don't reach, that you are going to pay. That today you people are collecting money. As we dey talk now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we don't know where he dey. Who tell you say you know where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey? Who tell you see don't see am yesterday? We don't know wetin they pass through for there. We don't know wetin they pass through for there. The country where you hold it their passport now, the country don't talk another thing. The country where he stand as their citizen, you know no hear wetin happen. I think una dey hear am. Biafra, na only we go fit help ourselves. If we be 200 we go, if we die remain 5, the 5 will come and build Biafra again. This is one thing I want to tell Biafra this night. I know the reason why I come this night. If you be 200, if you die remain 2 or 5, the 5 will come and build Biafra. I'm telling Biafra to wake up. No worry, you yourself where they betray Biafra because of say you dey find money. Time is coming, you self no good. They will kill you. So Biafra, enough is enough. Nigeria government, enough is enough of all this nonsense. Enough is enough of all this nonsense. I will not be so long today. I don't want to talk anything today. But today now, enough is enough. I don't know where you people is going to see me on my life again. But what I'm telling you now that enough is enough. The way they are killing our people, I don't appreciate that. I don't just appreciate that. The patience of all these people, the tactics they are coming, they will kill somebody, they will kill me, they will kill another person, they will kill another person. Before you know, the boss will empty. No be the one where they adopt, go the key. So wetin I dey try dey tell you na Biafra. This sleep, where would they sleep? You dey see say that they kill your brother, it no concern you. You dey see say they kill your brother, it no concern you. Biafra waiting, what are we waiting for? All the soldiers you see today in Biafra land, all of them na Boko Haram. Those Boko Haram, they recruit into Biafra. They recruit into Nigeria soldiers. Now then they Biafra land. The Biafras I'm talking about, those soldiers, Nigeria soldiers, you are still calling your soldiers, you are still saying police, all of them are Boko Haram, when no see charge to kill us. Now they don't give them gun and give them uniform. Now they operate everywhere. Biafra, this thing is getting out of hand. As we dey talk, so our leaders will not know where you dey. Now them say, now we see day till today. Them say, now we see day till today. The country where they capture our leader, they see they live free. You wake up tomorrow, yesterday they don't kill Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. What will you do? You don't go check now. You know where the man dey. Do you know where the man dey today? Hi. Biafra. May God open our eyes and see wetin dey come on. Every day they kill our brother, they kill our sisters as we dey talk so. Every day they kill our brothers, they kill our sisters. Every day they kidnap our boys. Your pikin dey go business, he never come back. They don't kill him. Every day they destroy us, they go. Every day they kill us, they go. Biafras, every day Nigeria they kill us, they go. Every day Nigeria they kill us, they go. Every day Nigeria they kill us, they go. Then they kill us for foreign land. They kidnap our savior now. Is in their custody now. They are planning to kill him. We are still alive. I know say God Almighty is there, but Biafra, let me tell you, the system they are using on us today is very dangerous. They are catching our people one by one. They shoot one, Biafra. They shoot two, Biafra. Hey, you don't know, now only 2 people die. Tomorrow, hey, now only 100 die. Next tomorrow, now only 200 die. Next tomorrow, now only 300 die. Before you know it, complete 1 million. E no happen to you today as you dey go for road, you dey inside motor, now police go just shoot gun, e kill you all. You know the motor where they travel from east to north, they travel from east to Lagos, where they capture, kill everybody for them. You don't know. No picture show. Biafra. 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 Everybody should stop all this. Your market, everybody should stand attention and let us know what we are going to do. Every activity to close in our country, every activity to close in Igbo land, and let us know where we are going right now. We cannot continue like this, Biafra. They are going to kill us one by one. Before we know, our backyard don't empty. They are killing us very slowly. All the police you see today is Boko Haram. All the soldiers you see today, they are all Boko Haram, where they don't recruit into Nigerian soldiers to kill us. This is people they bring for foreign land to kill me and you, Biafra. It's too tough. My brothers in the bush, the time is here, man. The time is here, man. You volunteer to take your life. You volunteer to do whatever you want to do for Biafra. But this time coming out, don't coming out with no mercy. Anyone that coming out, if this time everybody come out with no mercy. Come out with no mercy. Biafra coming out now is coming out with no mercy. We're coming out with no mercy. Our leader now, we don't know where he is. Now every day they see picture. Every day I feel like hearing his voice. But nowhere to be found. I no fit hear his voice again. I no fit hear our leader voice again. Where he dey? Now as you dey talk now, they don't postpone the court. They don't postpone am. They don't postpone am. They don't tell the woman make it say he no fit, he won't resign, he won't come out. So that make they postpone am. Before they postpone this thing, Biafra make we understand. Our leader, where he dey? Who don't hear for our leader? Please make it talk tomorrow morning, please. Who don't talk to our leader? Who don't see they talk to our leader since when the lawyer go see him? Anybody will go see him again yesterday or day before? Make it let us know what happened now. Make it let us know. Make it let us know. Biafra, what's up now? Wetin dey happen? Maybe they kill our people, they go like this. Inside market, they see they enter the key. No God, no be say that they inside market because you they look for Biafra. Hi, Jesus. Nigeria government, enough is enough of all this nonsense. And I'm telling everybody in eastern part of Nigeria, I'm telling everybody in Akwa Ibom, in Cross River State, I am telling everybody in Cross River.
Yes, my wonderful people, what he is talking about is what happened on 13th of July 2021. So everybody need to take heed because we don't really know where this thing is coming from and where it's going to. All right, my wonderful family, please, if you know you haven't subscribed to this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? I know you love what I am doing in this channel. Therefore, subscribe and join the family. Let us be part of one big family. Remember, share this video with your friends and family so that they know the happening all over the globe. See you when I see you. Bye-bye.